Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, I'll talk about Vedanta Limited. Vedanta Limited is going to pay a dividend. It's a second interim dividend, 19.5 rupees per share. And it's quite big in number if you see. It's subsidiary company that that Hindustan Zinc is the subsidiary or company of Vedanta Limited, and recently it announced the dividend 21 rupees per share. So it happens generally that after the Hindustan Zinc announces the dividend, major portion of the dividend comes to Vedanta. Then Vedanta declares the dividend. It's a trend and it happens generally. So now Vedanta announced 19.5 rupees per share. Now you see that the share is trading around the current market price of Vedanta is around 254 rupees. Those who are continuously following this stock, you might you may know that, or you might be knowing that the stock was trading around 230 rupees few days back only. Let's say 1 week back maybe, and I have added some stocks in that price also. Today also I added some stocks, some shares of Vedanta in 254 rupees approx I added, and 230 also I have added some, because SIP I have added when it was going low, and the price was going lower and lower, then I added it, right? And you see its high was 400 rupees approximately. That time I have sold some also. And now if you'll see, in 5 days the company share price has increased approx 12%. Yesterday only, after the announcement of the dividend, that we got the news mail from Vedanta around, I think on Tuesday we got the mail. I was busy at home. I couldn't make the video. That time, after that, next day, that means yesterday, the price was approx 6% up. And within a month, if you see, it's 14% up. And the 52 weeks high, if you see, it's 440 rupees, 52 weeks high, right? And it's at a perfect price to buy. That's what I look Vedanta. That's what my analysis on Vedanta. You might think, you might do your own analysis, or you can talk to your investment manager that whether we should invest or not. But it's purely my analysis, that it's my personal analysis, that it may be helpful to you, may not be helpful to you even. You may not like this type of stocks, high dividend paying stocks also. But what I like, these high dividend paying stocks, you can see the 19 rupees in 254, that means approximately 7%, approximately 7, yeah, more than 7, 8, yeah, approximately 8%, you can say, you are getting the dividend. And if you look at Vedanta, this is the second time it's paying, right? So it pays continuously, yearly 2 to 3 times sometimes, right? So in dividend, if you'll see, then in total you are getting more than sometimes 20%. So, and if you are buying at low these stocks, then you are getting more, right? How you can analyze? Suppose you are means, I have told many times that if you are buying a stocks at 50 rupees and the stocks price is now, let's say, 150 rupees, the company paid let's say 10 rupees or 20 rupees per share, okay, then you are getting that 20 rupees or 25 rupees out of your 50 rupees. That means you are getting 50%, not on the current market price. You have already bought it at 50 rupees. So you are getting a huge amount of dividend, or huge, your percentage is very huge, right? If you're holding that at buying at the low price. So that's a big game. When this type of high dividend paying company, if you're buying at very low price, sometimes they come to very low point. At this price, if you acquire more and more stocks, then it's only dividend return you will we can get more than 30%. This company paid a very huge amount of dividend on May itself, 31 rupees 50 paisa. Now you see it is paying 19 rupees 50 paisa. So in total, in two times this year and 2022, oh, it paid also 13 rupees in March also. So this year, 13 plus 10, 30, 40, 50, 30, 40, 60, approximately 62 rupees, only 2022, the company has paid the dividend. Now, if you remember, in 2020, the share price was trading around 59 rupees, 60 rupees. Now, if you have bought that time at 60 rupees per share and you are holding 2 years, now you are getting 60 rupees per share dividend. Are you getting? That means 100% of your money you are getting as a dividend. You cannot imagine how beautiful is it, and how this type of passive income is excellent, is you can say exciting earning. Anyways, let's just look at the dividend shareholding pattern. The promoter is holding 69%. It's great. And if we'll earn the if we'll check the income statement of this company, then the sales 39,000 crore in March quarter, and last year March quarter at 27,000 crore. Then that means you can think of, that means 10,000. It is approximately more than 10,000 crore sales increment in the sales. The profit also has increased, right? But year on year, a little bit down, 7,600 crore to 7,200 crore. Still, it's doing great business. And dividend, it pays continuously the dividends. So excellent amount of dividend, you can say. This is a very excellent company in aluminum. And what is the business? This is the largest producer and exporter of iron ore in the private sector, and is of course and is on course to be the in the league of top 4 iron ore producing companies in the world. Apart from iron ore, they also produce pig iron, metallurgical coke. The company also is in the business segment of power, copper, iron ore, and aluminum. So Anil Agrawal is the non-executive chairman. Nabin Agrawal is the executive vice chairman, and Vedanta also was listed in foreign stock exchange, London Stock Exchange. So I I I find this group is quite interesting. Now, if we'll see the other stocks also going to pay dividend in upcoming few weeks, the all like Coal India 3 rupees per share, GAIL is going to pay dividend, GAIL 1 rupees per share. Then Castrol is also going to pay dividend. Indian Oil is going to pay dividend 2 rupees 40 paisa, right? So many companies are going to pay in upcoming weeks. CRISIL has also announced dividend, right? So you can think of these companies, and if you are finding some companies that they are low, and these are if this company is an excellent one, then it's the right time to acquire some. That's what I plan, and you can also think of something. If you can also plan accordingly. And this thing also I repeatedly tell, that when the dividend, bonus, or your split, this type of corporate actions are announced, generally the stocks starts, means the volume starts increasing, and generally the price goes up within a short span of time. So for short-term trader also, it's a excellent opportunities the stocks gives you without the knowledge of technical analysis, your technical charts, or the higher type of that graph studies that I do not know. And some of you might be knowing and earning money, I don't know. But I believe in smooth accumulation of money, smooth investment, and tension-free investment. That's what I say in this channel. And also I advise that because we are investing and we are in the market, but we shouldn't get tensed with the market ups and down. And suppose we invested in some company and by the end of the day it's going down, we shouldn't get that much of tensed. So these dividend paying companies are very stable and it keeps us giving money. And that's interesting, quite interesting. That's what I try to advocate, and I love this dividend, the passive income. So those who are of similar mind, you can follow this channel, and I will be updating uh, in about some companies in the next videos also. So till then, keep on investing and see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night.